Good morning, equity guys. This is Manjunath, NISM technical analyst. Let's see how market had performed on Friday. So Nifty 50 closed at 25,795, that is 96 points negative. Bank Nifty 378 points negative. Then Sensex, it is 344 points negative. Data is suggesting bearishness. India volatility index is nothing but a fear index. If it is positive, then the market may go for negative. If it is negative, the market is neutral to bullishness. So today it is minus 1.21%. So data is suggesting it's neutral to bullish data. Next, gift nifty, gold base, silver base, everything we will see later. Crude oil November future, if you see it, the price is running at 6,000 pre 5,427. That is less than pre-COVID level. Pre-COVID, that is 6,500. So data is bullish. So let's see how Nifty had performed on Friday. See, as in our pre-market video, we had said that the first 15 minutes low, until the first 15 minutes low is not taken out, then it is data is bullish. So once the first 15 minutes low is break down, so data is bearish. So you can see a strong sell-off, and there was a gap near 25,724 levels which acted as magnet. So the day closed near 25,724 and it bounced back and it closed near 25,800. So data, you can see it as a bearish to data. Next, Nifty 50 in daytime frame, you can see it's two red candles, but this is the swing higher high. The candles are making higher high formation, so data is still bullishness. Let's see how sectors are performing. Nifty IT negative, Nifty Bank negative, Nifty infrastructure negative, Nifty auto sector negative, but Nifty metal sector is positive. So most we see five major sectors, but in that five sectors, four sectors are negative. So data is bearish. Advanced decline ratio, sentiment towards bearishness. Nifty 50, sentiment towards bearishness, 34 companies closing negative. Nifty Bank, 11 companies closing negative. So sentiment again bearishness. Option chain, we have to select the option chain of 28th October 2025, Nifty 50 in the money call option selling. Out of the money call option selling, data is bearish. In the money put option buying, out of the money put option is buying. So data is bearishness. Put buyers are there, call sellers are there. Then PCR ratio is 0.6. So we can say neutral data. Remember the PCR ratio, once it crosses comes below 0.05, then 0.5, that is called oversold zone. From there, you can expect a V-shaped market. So today's strong support and resistance as per option chain is 25,900 will act as strong resistance. That you can see the change in OI, the call sellers added here, their positions near 25,900, that will act as resistance. Now let's see FIDA activity. First, let's see cash market. Cash market FI is buying at bought 621 crores. DA is bought 173 crores. So data is bullish. F&O segment, index futures, again FIS bought 1,336 crores stock futures they sold. So most of the data is positive. So we can say the data is bullish. Global market, US 30 positive, US 500 positive, US 100 positive. So US futures are running at positive levels. Data is bullish. Let's see how cash market had performed on Friday. So Dow Jones performed positive, S&P 500 positive, Nasdaq positive. So data bullish. European market also positive, DAX positive, FTSE 100 positive, CAC 40 positive. Let's come to Asian market. Nikkei, look at the Asian market performance. It's 2.33% positive. Super bullishness. Hang Seng, Hang Seng is also positive, super bullish. Kospi 2%, again, once again 2% of positive. So data is suggesting it's a super bullish data. ADRs, so mixed data, so we can say neutral. Let's see how Gift Nifty is performing today. Gift Nifty, can you see Gift Nifty and Nifty October future? The difference between the Gift Nifty and Nifty October future will suggest whether the market will gap up or gap down. So you can see it's a gap up market today. So data is bullish. Based on that one, let's see support and resistance. First, let's see the resistance. 25,944 is first resistance, 26,104 second resistance, and all-time high is our third resistance zone. Support side, 25,718 is first support, 25,508 is second support, and 25,376 is our third support. You might have saw two red candles, but remember, until this swing low is not taken or down, the data is still bullish. It can come down and it can take support and it can run away. So today, but the data is suggesting it's a gap up and we are opening near 25,900. Remember, if it is opening at 25,900, then the bulls might take the market towards 26,000. That is our target for the day. Remember, first 15 minutes high and the low are very, very important. If it takes first 15 minutes high, then we are heading towards 26,000. If it is gap up and it is closing below first 15 minutes low, then in first 15 minutes itself, we'll get to know that, okay, market whether close near 25,700 or 26,000. So that are the important levels you have to market. Then comes to investors' point of view. Investors' point of view, no opportunity still at, because we are already in overbought zone where profit booking is happening. You can see on Friday that was the profit booking candle. So this is for the day. Thank you. All the best.